For Solomon Cagas of Dicolok Jimenez, 2,000 is already a big help. Unable to do physically demanding work, Cagas said the assistance he received under the government's unified package for livelihoods, industry, food and transport will help his family with their daily needs.
Dako kayong kalipay sa aning programa karon ma'am kay dako gyud katabang ang iyang lang gihatag. Bisa gamay lang ni siya ma'am. Dako gyapon katabang sa akong pamilya gud ka palitas unsay panginahanglan sa atong panimalay.
George Dora of Tabuo Jimenez was also among those who received the Uplift Assistance, a government initiative implemented by the Department of Social Welfare and Development in coordination with the provincial government of Misamis Occidental and local government units.
Malipay. Nakadawat pagbugas, pagay kwarta.
Dora also thanked President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and Governor Henry Waminal for extending assistance to families like his.
Akong mensahe ni Pangulong Marcos, daghan kayong salamat para sa ilang gihatag na mga kaayuhan para nako. Ug ingon man kang Governor Henry Waminal na siya usapod siya sa dako kayo nakatabang sa katawan sa Misamis Occidental. Malipay kayo.
In Pangabuan, Tangub City, Rosetta Duhay Lungsod said the assistance came at a time when the rising cost of basic goods has made life harder for families like hers.
Lisod yun karong panahon na mahal ang gasolina, mahal ang palitono, tananing mahal.
Even the 5 kilos of rice she received would already make a difference.
Para lang nako, dako jo kay tabang na 5 kilos bugas.
Jovelyn Encarnes of Titoron, Tangub City shared the same sentiment.
Bintahan na lang yun nga na, ayuda nga madawat. Sa wala, bahala gamay ra, basta naa, importante nga naa, dako na kayo na siya katabang.
She also hoped that the government would continue looking after families who have little or no source of income.
Alang sa ato ang gobernador o sa ato ang presidente, inaot unta nga magpadayon ng ilahang maayong serbisyo, ang ilahang paglantaw sa mga kinahanglanon sa mga tao, labi na katong mga wala gyud, walay mga trabaho. Inaot unta nga magpadayon sila og hatag og ayuda.
For these families, the assistance may be small, but it helps them get through the day and gives them hope to keep going. In Misamis Occidental, more than 26,000 beneficiaries are targeted to receive the 2,000 Uplift Assistance, with distribution ongoing across the province.